Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set a buy limit order on MetaTrader 5. If you use the MT5 desktop platform and want to enter a trade only when price drops to a better level, a buy limit order is a very useful tool. Instead of buying immediately at the current market price, this order lets you tell the platform exactly where you want to buy in advance. That can help you plan your entries more carefully and avoid chasing the market. In trading, this is especially useful when you believe the market will pull back before continuing upward, allowing you to get a better risk-to-reward setup. To begin, open the order window in MetaTrader 5. There are a few easy ways to do this. You can press F9 on your keyboard, click the New Order button in the toolbar, or right-click directly on the asset chart, go to Trading, and then choose New Order. Any of these methods will bring up the Trade Setup window. All three options do the same thing, so you can choose whichever feels fastest and most comfortable, depending on your workflow. Once the order window is open, look for the Type drop-down menu. By default, it may be set to Market Execution, which is used for instant trades at the current price. Since we want to create a pending order instead, change this setting to Pending Order. This tells MT5 that you do not want to enter the trade right away, but only if price reaches your selected level. This is a key concept because pending orders allow you to automate your entries without constantly watching the chart. Next, find the Pending Order Type section and choose Buy Limit. This is the specific order type used when you expect price to move down first, then potentially rise after reaching your chosen entry point. Think of it as placing a discount buy order below the current market price, where you only get filled if the market comes back to your level. Now enter your trade parameters carefully. Start with volume, which is your lot size. Make sure this matches your trading plan and risk tolerance. Then enter your price. For a buy limit order, this price should be set below the current market price, because the idea is to buy after the market pulls back to that lower level. This is where risk management becomes important, because choosing the right entry price can significantly improve your potential reward compared to risk. You can also enter a stop loss and a take profit. These are optional, but they are highly recommended. A stop loss helps limit potential downside if the trade moves against you, while a take profit allows you to define your target in advance. Setting both can make your trade more structured and disciplined. For example, many traders use a fixed risk-to-reward ratio like 1:2 or 1:3 to keep their trading consistent over time. If needed, you can also set an expiration date and time. This is useful if you only want the order to remain active for a certain period. If the market never reaches your price before that time, the order will automatically cancel. This is helpful in fast-moving markets, where setups can become invalid after a certain period. After reviewing all the details, click Place to submit the order. Your buy limit order will then be active in the platform, waiting for price to reach your chosen entry level. Once triggered, MetaTrader 5 will automatically execute the trade based on your predefined settings, so you don't have to manually intervene. And that's how to set a buy limit order on MetaTrader 5.